Hello friends, I am back with one question from sitting arrangements. This question is asked in IDBI Bank Clerk 2012. 6 persons PQRSTU are sitting in a circle facing one another front to front. So first of all, I will draw circle. So this will be our circle. Now P is sitting in front of Q. So first of all, I will mark here P. It is sitting in front of Q, so here is Q. Q is sitting to the right of T. Right of T will be in this direction. This is right direction and this will be in left direction. So right of T means T is here somewhere. Then Q is sitting to the right of T and left of R. So Q is to the left of R. Left direction is in this direction. So that this will be R. P is sitting to the left of U. P is sitting to the left of U. So U will be somewhere here. As it is, P is sitting to the left of U and right of S. So S will be here. So our P, Q, R, S, T, U, all the persons are placed now. Now we will solve the example one by one. First of all, I will summarize what I have did. I have followed steps. First of all, the persons are sitting in circle, so I have drawn one circle. Then, by using the statements, P is sitting in front of Q, so I have located P and Q here. Then Q is sitting to the right of T and left of R. So what is right side and what is left side, we should know while solving such examples. And P is sitting to the left of U and right of S. By using all these statements, I have made this diagram. Now we will solve the example. Who is sitting opposite to R? So opposite to R is nothing but U. So 5 is right answer. Opposite to R is U. Then who is sitting opposite to S? Opposite to S is T. T is sitting opposite to S. Who is sitting between P and R? Between P and R, S is sitting. So S. And if the positions of P and R are interchanged, who will be sitting between S and U? If the positions of P and R are interchanged, then R will be here and P will be here. Then who is sitting between S and U? In between S and U, R will be sitting. So R will be sitting. Option 2 is right answer.